Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, ang gagawin ko is magkukulay ako ng regrowth of my hair. As you can see, black na yung roots. Hindi na siya nagmamatch. So, yun lang naman ang gagawin ko. I'll be showing you the products, the process, and I'll also be sharing you the links of the products below if ever you want to try this at home yourself. Okay? So, let's get started. Okay, so here are the products. First is the colorant. I've been using Bremod. And ang ganda talaga nito kasi the color stays vibrant even if the time goes by. So, kasi alam mo yun, yung sa mga Watsons na mga box dye like L'Oreal, even though ang mahal nila, they're not nagfe-fade sila, and ang pangit ng buhok ko afterwards, di ko alam. So, yun. Ever since nalaman ko tong product na to, the price and where it can be bought, the original one, ito na yung ginagamit ko lagi. So, here's Bremod, and I'm using shades 9.3 and 8.3. It's light golden blonde and light golden brown. Brown. Light golden blonde and light golden brown. Okay. So, yun lang. And then, as for the oxidizer, I'm using also Bremod. Actually, hindi talaga ito yung ginagamit ko, na out of stock kasi. Pero okay na rin kasi same brand. Or, ang recommended is 1 colorant is to 1 oxidizer. I am using 9% or 30 volume oxidizer. Pero since I'm just gonna color my roots, what I'm gonna do is, paghahatiin ko lang to, kuha lang akong kalahati each color, and then I'll use the whole bottle for this one. And the tools or the things that you need, of course, we need the brush. Umaasenso na, nakabili na ako nito. Dati kasi toothbrush lang. Pero yun, this one, brush and a plastic bowl. Dapat plastic kasi pag metal, it will affect the product. I think it will have a reaction. So, dapat talaga plastic. And then, gloves, of course, it's important. And also, yun, mga clips. Clips na kailangan mo. And, ano pa ba? And yun, bumili din ako ng treatment kasi even though maganda yung pangkulay ko, it still damages my hair. So, kailangan talaga ng treatment afterwards. And this one, Soft and Glow, this is the first time that I'm gonna use this. It's Brazilian Blowout daw. And it's only 56 pesos. So, I'll try it. If it's good, let's see. I'll show you the process. Let's get started.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh. But instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, okay.
Tapos ko ng kulayan and binandawan ko na din. Meow! Ayan. Gosh, medyo mapula siya. Pero ganito talaga yung kulay na to. Sobrang pula lang niya sa umpisa. Pero as time goes by, nagiging mas brown siya. So, yan. Tuyuin ko lang and I will show you the final results. Hi! So, ito na ang natuyo kong buhok. Medyo pumantay naman ng konti. Ang hirap ng mag-isa lang, pero kakayanin. Char. Pero yon, this is the final results. I'll be doing the Brazilian blowout maybe later. Kasi gabing-gabi na. And yun lang. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye!